Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to track order on AliExpress. So open AliExpress application on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right and enter section My Orders right here. Now find order that you want to track, then tap on it to open its details and find and press button Tracking so that your screen looks approximately like this. This is tracking information page. So here you can see your estimate delivery time, your carrier, your tracking number, and of course your shipping updates. But for example, if you don't want to use just AliExpress application, you can copy your tracking number right here. You can use this function to just copy your tracking number instead of just manually typing it in the field, and go to universal tracking website. AliExpress, for example, suggests me that I use this website that is called 17track, but personally I prefer more website that is called Parcel.com. Here enter your tracking number, then tap this icon and it will pull all information from all the courier systems. But don't start to panic when your tracking looks like it's stuck, because AliExpress logistics can be a little slow to update, and sometimes it only refreshes when your order is arrived to your country. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.